Hello friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Education Alvi. Let's fly with success. Today is 29 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed to our today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which state has topped the list of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya. The correct answer here is Tamil Nadu. Option A is correct here. Tamil Nadu has topped the list of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana in availing the loan to women. In availing the loan to women. Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister is E.K. Palaniswamy and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Our second question was, who has certified the African continent free from wild polio? UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, IMF. The correct answer here is WHO, World Health Organization. Option C is correct here. World Health Organization has certified the African continent free from wild polio virus. Okay, and the headquarters of the WHO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland, and Director General of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General of WHO. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which state has launched the NRI Unified Portal? Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Uttar Pradesh government has launched the NRI Unified Portal. The overseas Indian and the NRI will be able to get their issues to solve with the help of this portal of the public. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. It is launched by Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. You can see the image of Yogi Adityanath here. And governor is Anandiben Patel. Next question. Which government has launched the fitness campaign Healthy Body and Healthy Mind? Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer here is option A, Delhi. Delhi government has launched the fitness campaign Healthy Body and Healthy Mind. The fitness campaign for students. It is the fitness campaign for students. Due to lockdown and due to coronavirus pandemic, all students are staying home. So the Healthy Body and Healthy Mind is a campaign launched for the students. Okay, and it is launched by Delhi government. Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Who has been selected for National Award to Teacher 2020? Rajesh Kumar, Geeta Mishra, MS Sudha Penuli. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Mrs. Sudha Penuli. Mrs. Sudha Penuli has been selected for the National Award to Teacher 2020. She is among 47 outstanding teachers selected for the National Award to Teacher 2020. Where Teachers Day is celebrated in September 5. In September 5, Teachers Day is celebrated in India. Okay. Question number 4. Who has resigned from the CEO of TikTok? Kelvin Mayer, Tim Cook, Sundar Pichai. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Kelvin Mayer. Option A is correct here. Kelvin Mayer has stepped down from the post amid a pressure for its Chinese owner to sell the popular video application TikTok, and Kelvin Mayer recently resigned from the chief executive officer post from the TikTok. You know, TikTok is a Chinese app, a very famous popular video app, and recently Kelvin Mayer resigned from the post. The various Chinese app is banned in various country. In our country, about 559 Chinese app is recently banned. In US also TikTok is banned. So recently Kelvin Mayer resigned from the post of CEO. Who has virtually launched the National GIS enabled land bank system? Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Prakash Javadekar, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is Piyush Goyal. Option B is correct here. Piyush Goyal, Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, had virtually launched the National GIS Enabled Land Bank system. Okay, you can see the image of Piyush Goyal here, our Union Minister of Commerce and Industry. Next question. India is planning to host BRICS Games in which year? 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. The correct answer here is option A, 2021. India is planning to host the BRICS Games in 2021 aligned with the Khelo India Games schedule for the next year. Okay, BRICS is in news. How many countries are in BRICS? There are 5 countries are in BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Okay, and it is related to sports. So, who is the Union Sports Minister? Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju is the Union Sports Minister of our India. You can see the image of Kiran Rijiju here, Union Sports Minister of our India. Next question. Who has won the International Booker Prize 2020? Meriki Lucas Risneveld, Nirupama Yadav, Chetan Bhagat. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A. Meriki Lucas Risneveld recently won the International Booker Prize 2020 for his debut book, The Discomfort of Evening. The book name is The Discomfort of Evening. You can see the cover page of the book here, and the famous author Meriki Lucas Risneveld. Okay. Next question. Who has released a book titled National Security Challenges Young Scholars? Rajnath Singh, M.M. Narvane, Prakash Javadekar, Karambir Singh. The correct answer here is Manoj Mukund Narvane. Option B is correct here. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narvane has released a book titled National Security Challenges Young Scholars. Okay. And you can see the image of Manoj Mukund Narvane here, the Army Chief of our Indian Army. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been launched Chunauti, a new generation startup challenges? Narendra Modi, Ravi Shankar Prasad, S. Jaishankar, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Option B is correct here. Ravi Shankar Prasad is the correct answer here. Chunauti, a next generation startup challenge contest, has been launched by Minister for the Electronics and Information Technology. Minister for Electronics and Information Technology is Ravi Shankar Prasad, and he launched the Chunauti, a new generation startup challenges. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Who represented in 14th India-Singapore Defence Policy Dialogue? Dr. Ajay Kumar, Bipin Rawat, Rajnath Singh, Manoj Mukund Narvane. The correct answer here is Dr. Ajay Kumar. Option A is correct here. Dr. Ajay Kumar, Defence Secretary of India, represented the 14th India-Singapore Defence Policy Dialogue. Also it is known as Defence Policy Dialogue, DPD. Okay. And Dr. Ajay Kumar is our Defence Secretary of our India. Represented India in 14th India-Singapore Defence Dialogue. Okay. And the Prime Minister of Singapore is Lee Hsien Loong. Lee Hsien Loong is the Prime Minister of Singapore. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, ISRO signed an MOU with whom to set up its incubation center? Our second question is, who became the MD and CEO of SBI Mutual Fund? Please try to answer in a detailed analysis in comment section. Okay, and thereby regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing, please please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing it, please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day.